everyone, this is Megan from the Toasted Marshmallow Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be making 3 easy dinner recipes. The first recipe is for Borsen cheese and tomato pasta. We're going to bring water to a boil and then add 2 cups of pasta into it. In a separate baking dish, we're going to add 1 container of Boursin cheese, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of frozen onion, and then I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and season it with salt, pepper, and minced garlic. After giving it a good stir, this is going to bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. After taking it out of the oven, I'm going to mix together the cheese and tomato, and also will burst open the tomatoes. When it has been well combined, I'm going to add in the 2 cups of cooked pasta and then stir it really well and then serve it for dinner. The next recipe is chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. I'm going to start off by putting 3 chicken breasts into a baking sheet. And then I am going to season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder on both sides. Once the chicken has been seasoned, I'm going to spread on ranch dressing on top of the 3 chicken breasts. And then I'm going to put a slice of bacon on each chicken breast. This will then go in the oven and cook for about 25 minutes. After the chicken has come out of the oven and is fully cooked, I'm going to sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top and then put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. As the cheese is melting on the chicken, I'm going to prepare this salad kit that I got from Aldi, and this is going to be our side for the dinner. Next up, we're going to be making beef tacos. After heating a pan up, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef to it. As it's cooking, I'll continue to crumble up the beef. Once the meat is fully cooked through and the grease has been drained, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of elote seasoning. This will continue to simmer for a few more minutes. In another pan, I'm going to add butter and wait for it to melt. Once it has melted, a tortilla shell will be added and topped with cheese. Once it begins to look like this, it's ready for the toppings.